Johnny Utah's garage and workshop. I always forget to say that. But yeah, the last video I just did was about a drill bit organizer. Well, you know what's funny? Now I gotta build a shelf in a different spot because I can't fit the drill bit organizer on top of the other one. So anyway, I got some other things. I bought another $9 Pittsburgh punch set because when you break all the last ones, you need to replace them. You've already seen these. Yeah, fun. So yeah, I got another punch set. I was trying to get the pin out of the Wilton, which I'll show you, and basically, they got the best of me. Oh wait a minute, no, I forgot. Close your eyes. There we go. This pin. See, long. I didn't have any short ones, so when I used, wasn't that one? When I used this one, I realized it wouldn't go all the way through. So this one bent, so I just ended up breaking them all. Well, not all of them. I basically broke one, but you want to replace one, you got to buy them all. Story of my life, right? Besides, who needs an excuse to buy new tools? So anyway, I got more punches. They come useful, especially when I punch someone in the face. Just kidding. I also bought a new set of toothbrushes, you know, because in case you get a little plaque build up there. You know, they were like $2.99 for this. The only reason why I bought them is because I was cleaning that Wilton vise again, and I couldn't find mine. I have a drawer full of these somewhere. I don't know where the hell the drawer is. They're in here somewhere. But I figure, Christ, $1.99, you can't go wrong. These things are practically disposable. So, yeah, that was cool. And I think that was it. I bought a little brush to clean the front of the top of the bench for $1.99. Like, it wasn't expensive. And what the hell else did I get? I bought something else. I think that was it for Harbor Freight. I didn't get much. And yeah. Oh, I bought another one of these two. I'm trying to equip my garage with better lighting, so I bought another. This one is actually the 5,000 lumens, and this one you can. What do you call it? Put 8 lights in sequence. So I'm thinking of putting them all around the rim of my garage here. So we'll see how that comes. But yeah, they're pretty good actually. I mean, if you like, I did a video before. I find the Harbor Freight ones are actually made better than those shit ones on Amazon. But even though the shit ones on Amazon are like $30 and are all basic, at least they give you for $30 you get one, but at least they give you some aluminum with it, something to play around with. Anyway, that's the end of this video. I will make another video after this one and keep making videos and more videos and more videos. So enjoy, like, subscribe, and tell all your friends who like this kind of shit. Enjoy.